Hey there guys, today we will learn how to create custom resolution for every monitor. It doesn't matter if you have Nvidia or AMD graphics card, it is a neutral method and will work for every graphics card. First of all, open your browser and search for CRU monitor. Open the second link and download the software as followed. Now, open your downloads folder. Extract the CRU monitor software using WinRAR or any extracting software you have on your PC. Now, open your CRU software and follow what I am doing. Now the main step starts. On the extension block, click on CTA and press Edit from the bottom. Delete any resolution that you don't want. Now click on the resolution that you are currently using and press Edit. Now press Copy and close the Edit panel. Now press on Add to create custom resolution. Press Paste from the top. Now click on the drop-down menu and select CVTRB Standard. Now place the resolution you want. I will be testing 1720 by 1080p resolution as it is a stretched resolution. Restart your system once, as it is an important step and you will have black bars if you don't restart it before using the resolution. Now go in your display settings. Now press Advanced Display Settings. Now select Display Adapter Properties for your display, in my case it is Display 1. Click on List Modes and select the resolution you just created. Press OK and Apply. Now you will be able to use your custom resolution without black bars. I didn't restart my PC, that's why I am having black bars in the scroll bars. That's why it is important to restart your system once after creating a resolution. Thanks for watching the video, I hope it helped you. Peace out.